What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode. And for this episode, we're just going to focus mainly on the NAS daily. Okay, I mean on the daily time frame. That's what I meant to say. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button on your way in. This content is going to be super useful. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So at the moment right now, NAS is pushing up. And there's a couple levels where we may see a pullback. We may see it, it may not happen. Okay, because the push to the upside is quite strong. It is quite strong, and I think it's actually going to continue for a bit. I think where it could potentially run out of steam is possibly around this level over here, but I will explain that obviously as we go through the video. So there is one level, which is this level over here, okay, that price may begin to pull back from. So if entries haven't been made, you could use that as an opportunity should it pull back to actually hop on, and that would be this level right here, 1367.5.32. okay, if it does pull back, that's great. You can jump on and ride the gravy train to the upside. Okay, if it doesn't happen and it continues to push up, where are potential areas where we could obviously think about taking TP? Well, the first would be at this level over here, and that will be at 14,180.22, and the third would be up here, which would be 15,11,9.59. okay, so just to kind of help us out with what we're looking at, just to give us more of a better understanding as to when we can hop off and when we can hop on, just going to bring in the fib real quick. So we're just going to add the fib in here, right? Because literally we've got all the numbers all jumbled up. So where are we? Yeah, 100%. Cool. Then at least it's going to make a little bit more sense. Okay, so this level where the NAS has just left, which is the 38% level, is usually the best level for entries. Okay, so in this zone where it is in right now, it's the best possible position for entries according to the fib. So that's this zone right here, and NAS is currently in it. Okay, the next potential zone for TP, so I'm saying you might get a pullback at this level over here, 1367.5.32, where we could hop on to ride it up to the 62.60 level. Okay, according to the fib. Personally, I would have set my TP down to 14,180.22, but however, you can obviously, once you've analyzed everything with your fib, you might want to do this level, which is the Fibonacci level of 14,636.75. These options are available that you can take. Okay, but personally, I'd rather hop on and hop off at key support and resistance level. Okay, high points and low points. I mean, the fib's not bad. There is nothing wrong with aiming for the fib. It's just my preference. My preference is just safer to get off at certain levels. But however, you could ride it up to the fib, because the fib usually markets follows what the fib is recommending and what the fib puts out there in terms of the levels that we find that coincides with the fib, or as people say, fib levels. Okay, so from where we are now, okay, this is the golden sweet spot. The golden sweet spot right now is the 78% level, and that is 15559.83. So if you was to hop on now, okay, and you was going to be using the fib as when to take TP and not take TP, that would be a good level to target, a very good level to target. So that is what we got going on right now. I'll be back again hopefully tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis, and that one's probably going to be on a much smaller time frame because we're going to be in a week. So hopefully we should be able to capitalize as much as possible in regards to where the market moves, how it moves, and how we can take advantage, especially if there is a pullback at this level. On the 15-minute time frame would be perfect to grab some entries for the push on the upside, but we'll see what happens tomorrow, because tomorrow is what's going to let us know what is possible and what is not. So guys, if you've made it this far in this video, obviously well done to you. And if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, drop us a like if you found the content useful. So on that note guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video very, very soon. And for now, This is Pips and Points signing out.